Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Kyle Krieger here. So I just woke up. It's in the morning. Maybe it's like 8 a.m. My apartment is so beautiful and bright in the morning. It makes me so happy. Anyway, so yeah, I just woke up. This is what you get in the morning if you spend the night here. I don't have any makeup on my face or anything. Today, I was thinking maybe I would do my quick and easy makeup tutorial, something that I do every day, whether I'm going to get the mail, whether I'm taking Angus on a walk, whether I'm going to get coffee, or, you know, you gotta go to the gym, see my gym crush. No, I mean, I don't really wear makeup to the gym, but I'm just messing around. But anyway, this is sort of my like everyday makeup routine. You know, I know how to do men's grooming. I did red carpet men's grooming for a long time. But I feel like makeup has come a long way since I was sort of working in the industry. But I still do it the way that I do it, and no matter how many times I watch a makeup video on YouTube, sort of just do mine the same way. Because it's quick, it's easy, it's just like going to get the mail, like whatever. Okay, so we're gonna go from this to this. I've always wanted to do that. I hope it works. So I always start my little daily makeup with this Professional, which I love, and it's just because it's a mattifier. So because I'm using SPF on my skin, sometimes I get a little bit shiny. So it's nice to use this little Professional. So it's a little primer. It takes away some of the shine, and I think it also gives like a very like silicone, like nice feel to my skin. So I use it every day. I have a lot of redness in my skin because I am pretty sensitive to sunlight, so I feel like it also maybe takes out some of that. I don't use concealer. Yeah, I guess I do every day. Just like under my eyes here, as you can see, like if I don't get enough sleep. I don't necessarily know if I do makeup the right way, but this is just like what I do, and so like I could be doing it completely wrong. Even if I watch like 101 makeup videos. But... Okay, so I just like put it wherever I have redness. And then I just kind of move it around. I do put it right here by all my creases because guys run a little bit red around their creases. And then I use my wet sponge. I got yelled at on Twitter for not damping my sponge all the time. So whenever I'm lazy, I don't damp it. But when I'm not being lazy, I make sure it's a little bit damp. So yeah, you can see just after adding a little bit concealer on my skin, it's really light, but yeah, it takes away a lot of the redness, which is great. And it kind of looks like I don't really have that much on my skin. I just like do a little spot treatment, this little guy up here. Looking fresh. I mean, I'm ready to see my gym crush now. Okay, this is a little bit more than normal, but that's okay. So yeah, I don't really know if you're supposed to use concealer like all over your face like that, but I just do it because it's easy and quick, and it's just like so I have this little eyebrow pencil, and sometimes I just fill in my eyebrows a little bit just to give them a little bit more definition. If I ever have like a color that's too dark, I feel like it looks like I'm wearing caterpillars on my forehead. I have a little bronzer that I use every day. It's from Tom Ford for men, and I like it because it's a little bit light. So I just put a little bit on my fingertips, and I kind of just put it right here under my cheekbones. In any place that I would do like a dodge and burn in Photoshop is where I add a little bit of bronzer, maybe a little bit up here, contour, you know. Okay. One last thing is I add a little bit of setting powder. So this powder has SPF as well, so I feel like it just like it takes away a little bit of shine, and it kind of just brings everything together. Yeah, but most importantly, it just has SPF in it. So I don't even know if it works, but I like it because I like the way it feels on my face. There you go, ready to get the mail. Finishing touch with a little chapstick. My dry old lips. It's go time. Okay, good. Should we put a little makeup on this? Well, there's no makeup on here, but let's see if he likes the feeling.
They look beautiful.
Okay guys, thanks so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this video, my little makeup tutorial of what I do every day. Not every day, but you know, often. Most of these things that I got, you can find at a convenience store. I can put some links down below, or at least like the name of the products down below if you want. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Kyle Krieger if you want to. That would be great. We're talking about all kinds of pop culture, politics sort of things. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.